Informative video is available at your service on your own informational channel. So please subscribe, and if you are interested in programming, this video will be useful for you. So don't forget to watch and subscribe till the end. So first of all, we started. Topic number one: what is programming? Programming, also now has coding, is the process of creating a set of instructions that a computer can follow to perform specific tasks. It involves writing code using programming language to solve problems and automatic various process. Programming use different programming language like Python, Java, C++, and more to develop software applications, website, mobile apps, and other computational tasks. Through programming, developer can communicate with computer and instruct them on how to carry out a specific operation or calculation. How to learn programming? Programming learning can be a rewarded experience. Here are some steps to help you get started. Only I suggestion only 9 steps to use to learn a programming language. So first of all, choose number one. Choose a programming language. Decide which programming language you are want to learn. Python is a popular choice for beginner due to its simplicity or versatility. But there are many other options like Java, JavaScript, C++, etc. language. Pick a language that aligns with your interests or goals. Number two, online tutorials and courses. There are numerous online tutorials and courses available, many of which are free that can teach you the basics of programming. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, Udemy, and Udix offer a wide range of programming courses. Number three, practice regularly. Programming requires practice, so try to code regularly. Start with simple exercises and gradually work your way up to more complex projects. A repetition and hands-on experience will help you improve your skill. Number four, joint coding communication. Engage with only coding communication and formal work, where you can ask questions, seek advice, and share your knowledge. Participation in discussion and collaboration with others can enhance your language expressions. Number five, read books. There are numerous books on programming that offer in-depth knowledge and insight. Look for beginner-friendly books that match your chosen programming language. Number six, work on project. Building your own project is a fantastic way to apply what we will learn and gain practical experience. It can be anything from a simple calculator to a simple web application. Number seven, review and debug. Do not be discouraged by errors and bugs in your code. Debugation is an essential skill in programming, and every programmer encounters error will coding learn to review and correct. Number 8, stay coded. Keep exploring and learning new technologies. Programming is constantly evolving, so stay curious and open to new concepts will help you grow as a programmer. Number 9 and last, remember learning programming tasks time and practice. Start small, stay consistent, and gradually build up your skill. Good luck on your programming journey. Thank you for watching and please for not forget to subscribe.